Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to change oil and oil filter in Audi A6 C7 2016. What you need for this job is maybe some power tool or screwdriver, and then to remove engine cover on the bottom of the car you need some special socket to remove these 4 screws. Then you need Torx 30 to remove 3 screws of that, and then you need a regular Phillips to remove this 7 of the screws. Then what you need also is socket number 32 to remove the filter cap. Then you need the socket number 19 to remove the oil drain plug, and some wrench. You need torque wrench also to properly screw down the filter cap housing and oil drain. This extender comes handy, it's not necessary though, and that's it. Not a lot of stuff. This is the most critical part, to be able to remove the cover on the bottom of the car. First things first, you need to jack your car up or put it on some kind of ramps. Someone smooched this already here, oh my god. Okay, come on, Azor ne. He wants to help. Azor. Funny dog. Okay. Towards the passenger doors. Here is the oil drain plug. Open up trunk. Before releasing the oil from below, open up the cap here, so to release the pressure. You can also remove this cover if you want. Just pull it up from these pins. Move it aside so it sits on these 4 pins here, 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 and here. It's maybe good idea to lubricate them just a little bit so that it's easier to take it off. Prepare some oil pan, untighten this screw. A good trick is to push drain plug inwards and start unscrewing it. Push it inwards all the time until you really feel that it's loose. Still, like with one finger, you'll just push it inwards. And still pushing it inwards, and then just tuck. Remove it. Great. While the oil is dripping, we can replace the oil filter, which is located just like here once you remove the engine cover. You can use some extender to make your life easier. Unscrew the oil filter cap. Once it's loose, just remove it by hand. Great, so that's our little filter. Note that now, once we remove the filter, it started dripping a bit more oil out because we released some pressure inside of it. Keep your oil pan under the car. Okay, now let's prepare the new filter, which comes in this box. It goes in like that, and of course you get this oil ring with it, which needs to be replaced, and there are some instructions inside. Wow, look at that. Interesting. The oil filter pops out. It sits on these 4 pins. Now we can clean this. To remove this oil ring, whatever is it called, you can use some pliers, or you can use some small screwdriver, like this for example. Just pop it out, just like that. Now I will clean this ring. I can see there is some smudge inside of it, so I have this small, look, some smudgy smudge. because I want the thread to be really, what the heck is that, to be really clean. Okay, perfect. Now you can take the new ring out, lubricate it, and once dipped in the oil, we can place it back. Okay, perfect. Make sure it sits in its position, and then now we can put in our filter until it pops and it's ready to go back into the car. Obviously, new filter goes back into its housing. Oh, it goes a bit hard. Okay, let's screw this down. And finally, torque it down to 25 Newton meters plus additional 5 Newton meters. Now you can return the engine cover. From time to time it is good to replace this oil drain plug, so just take one new. Yeah, this is not the nicest place for the oil drain plug. Okay, make it snug and torque it to 30 Newton meters. Perfect. Fill in Castrol Long Life 5W30. So fill in 4.7 liters. The Audi dealership changed the oil in this car every 30,000 kilometers, which for me, well, I think it's a bit too much. Okay, we are done here. Let's return the oil cap. Now we want to make sure that there are no oil leaks under the car, so press on the brake and push start stop button so that the car turns on. And let's get out of the car and let's see how this works. Everything looks fine here. Let's go under the car. Nothing leaks, which is great. Okay. Have a look around the oil filter. This also looks fine. Looks good. Yeah, and that's it. Now when we are happy with our job, let's return this. It is recommended to put a little bit of thread lock on these bolts. And finally we return these screws. This concludes our job. The job is done. That's how you change oil in Audi A6 C7. This is 2016. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you next time.